So I was asked by weesafer to make a review of this anti-fog helmet. So I'm gonna get my small knife. I know. Dun, 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 dun. How many? One, two? How many did you give me? One, two. Three, four. Okay, we have 4. So I'm gonna use one. I'm gonna give 3 as a giveaway. I'll let you know later how to participate in the giveaway. So it's weesafer. weesafer.com. You can go and check out weesafer.com. So last time I reviewed the last one I reviewed, it was okay. So the interesting thing with this one is actually smaller than the one I tried before. So let's clean up properly the visor. So they give you this, you get a wiping things, and you get a patch installation cleaning kit. What is this? Dust absorber, guide stickers, wet and dry. Very dirty. I'm still gonna give a good clean with this. This is just sunglasses spray mix of whatever. I just mix with some soap usually, and I use a cloth to just wipe it off, just get all the dirt out. So I'll do it on both sides, make sure it's clean properly. It's not complicated, you know what I mean? Can use this one. You saw the effect with hot water without the anti-fog, so now we're gonna try it on and try the same again. You need to make sure you put it the proper way. So the way this one is, you take it out from this side, and it's got the sticky part, so make sure you double check before your visor is good and you can use it. Don't make it too close to the top, otherwise when you close your helmet you will have problems, or too close to the bottom. Like this is good, I think, in the middle. So let's take out this one. So this is the sticky part. Don't touch it too much, because last time I messed it up, I told you. It's very, very tricky if you ask me. So you take out the sticky part and then you take out the second part later once you finish. Here we go. So now you have your anti-fogs on. We're gonna let it dry for a while, then we make the test again. We see. Okay, you saw it worked. So they say over 5 years valid time. I'll give you another review in 2 months. So let me use it every day to see how it goes. Then I'll give you a proper review. Sometimes you need to give time to product to really review it. I wanted to put the video out, present this to you, and make another video later so I can give you this one as a giveaway. How to get this one. So listen, I'll put this video on Facebook and YouTube. You can only play on Facebook. Share this Facebook video, tag 2 friends, and screenshot it. Then post the screenshot in this video, and I will pick three winner. Pick up whether in Metro Manila, or if you're not in Metro Manila, I can mail it to you. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck. Self-cleaning, high power, high performance material. So I'll put the link also in the description if you want to buy this. weesafer.com. I'll put the link in the description, so you just click and you see. Yeah. And if it's really good, then I try weesafer to send me more so I can make more giveaway. We'll see. Let me check it first and make a proper review later. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See ya.